Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: charged AirPods, Bluetooth on, and your device unlocked. Now open the case and hold the setup button for 3 to 5 seconds. The LED will pulse white. On your iPhone or iPad, choose AirPods Pro when the prompt appears and tap Connect. If using non-Apple devices, select them from Bluetooth settings and confirm pairing. Once done, name the AirPods in Settings and make sure firmware updates finish before proceeding. This prevents issues later. Once paired, customize controls so your taps and presses match what you want. Go to Bluetooth settings, tap the info icon, and assign press and hold actions for noise control or Siri. Press twice or squeeze for play/pause. After that, run the ear tip fit test to confirm a proper seal. This matters for bass and noise canceling. Try different sizes until the test shows a good seal. Finally, practice switching between ANC and transparency to feel the difference and set defaults that suit your routine. You're ready for daily use. Insert both buds for stereo or use one bud solo by stashing the other in the case. Audio should switch automatically. Make sure firmware and device OS stay updated and toggle Bluetooth if audio stutters. If things go wrong, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. And if you still hear problems, clean the tips and mesh. Debris and moisture often cause muffled sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.